It's been 2 weeks since I have not played drums. 2 weeks I have not been playing on this drum kit, or just any drum kit. Because it's only here where, you can guess where I am, but it's only here that I can only play drums. I don't have anything like this at home. So, because it was the holidays, I can come here and play drums, obviously. So basically, it's recording here. Basically, I want to be able to let's just see what I sound like from 2 weeks of not playing drums, and that's including because it's weekends as well, but yeah, it's the first day back at school, and let's just see what I sound like. Yeah. Let's just do whatever, I guess. I don't know how I'm going to sound. Here we go. The thing is, the snare isn't freaking. Well, it's got this little thing up. Where is that little thing gone? Okay, it's over here. Oh, no, it's not. Give me 1 sec. Where is that pause button? They've definitely done something to the drum kit. They tuned it over the holidays, so it sounds a bit more different. Alright. Now let's do it again. Here we go. So at the moment with me playing drums, you know, for the first time after 2 weeks, it feels, you know, maybe it feels that maybe I lost something, but, you know, to be honest, like, you know, 2 weeks, you know, it's quite long not playing drums, but, you know, the thing is with drums you want to be able to be playing as much as you can, you know, but it's all good, even though I might feel a bit off after 2 weeks, but, you know, I've got another 10 weeks anyway of playing every day, and then, yeah. Thanks for watching. If I can find my mouse and be able to turn off this recording, because